Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, my brothers and sisters. Have you ever wondered about the deeper meaning behind fasting? Why is this particular worship a pillar of Islam? Prophet ﷺ said, fasting is a shield, and when any one of you is fasting on a day, he should neither indulge in obscene language nor raise his voice. Rather, if anyone quarrels with him, he should say, I'm fasting. This is a hadith in Bukhari and Muslim. It's an authentic hadith. Now, this hadith likens fasting to a shield. And subhanAllah, it is not a surprise that Prophet ﷺ gave that example. Prophet ﷺ was known to be eloquent in his speech and had the art of saying more in less words. So when you look at the statement, when you look at the sentence that fasting is a shield, it's a short sentence, yet it holds a lot of meaning and has a lot of insight. Now imagine this. How is fasting a shield? So in historical warfare, just as soldiers used to wield shields in battles to protect themselves from harm, fasting similarly acts as a shield for believers in their spiritual journey to attain the happiness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Fasting isn't just about abstaining from food and drink and just staying hungry all day. It's about gearing up oneself against spiritual dangers. It's basically like prepping for a spiritual battle, where fasting becomes our armor, shielding us from the temptations and the distractions that can lead us astray. By fasting, we strengthen our resolve and we gain the upper hand against temptations. Another example of fasting being a shield is just like how a shield can intimidate enemies in warfare, fasting intimidates the whispers of shaitan, weakening his influence over us. It's a powerful weapon in our spiritual strength that empowers us in our consciousness and taqwa about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And when we gain and we increase this consciousness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that also helps us to be more aware of temptations and pitfalls that can be harmful for our faith. So next time when you fast, remember, it's not just abstaining from food. You're donning a spiritual armor, ready to face the challenges of the world with strength and resilience and unwavering faith. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless our Ramadan with faith and unity and bring out the best of us in this blessed month. Ameen.